Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to backup contact number to Poco C71. And so yeah, for those of you here who don't know what backup contacts to Google Drive for, so yeah, basically saving your contacts to your internal storage phone is too risky, so yeah, you have to back it up to your Google Drive so that it will be more safe and you can access across multiple devices and services. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, now the first thing first is you can go to contacts on your phone, and then over here now you can click three dots on the right top and click settings, and then you can go to import or export, and then you can click export to storage, and your contact will export to file. And then after that now you can go to Google Drive, and then here now you can upload that contact that you already exported, and then over here you can click, and so yeah, your contact will backing up to your Google Drive immediately. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.